I feel very outdated now. No.
Is it like cuddling? I am so bad at this shit. I don't know.
Ghosting, I think I have experienced it.
सिचुएशनशिप में रहा हूँ काफ़ी टाइम तक.
भाई ये बहुत टिपिकल टर्म्स लेकर आ रही हो यार तुम अदिति.
Something related to ghosts, related to zombies.
Caught me off guard. Dating terms चल रहे हैं.
I have heard. I'm in a relationship from past 4 years, so I don't know about these terms. So, yeah.
Well, it's Valentine's week. Have you heard about terms like situationship, benching, ghosting, breadcrumbing? If not, I'm going to go inside, ask some of my Gen Z office colleagues to decode these terms for you. Let's go.
रिलेशनशिप में आ नहीं पा रहे, ऐसे रखा हुआ है, घूमना फिरना बाकी सब चल रहा है.
Situationship.
सिचुएशनशिप यस. सिचुएशनशिप में रहा हूँ काफ़ी टाइम तक.
Okay, when I'm seeing someone, but I'm confused that I'm in love with him or not.
When you're not in a relationship, but something is also happening, so yeah.
You're in a situation you don't know if you're dating them or you're gonna leave them or what's gonna happen.
Man, I hate this term for the record. But situationship is basically when you are neither committed nor you're casual. It's somewhat in between.
Well experienced by many, I assume. So picture this, you both have feelings for each other and are romantically involved. But there's no label to what you have. It's like, is pyar ko kya naam do? In short,
Less than a relationship, more than a friendship.
That is basically, based on what I've heard, is when someone tries to give you hints, but they are not exactly in for the relationship or for commitment.
I don't know. I am so bad at this shit. I don't know.
Breadcrumbing, I think about food, breadcrumb. What breadcrumbing?
It's kind of a manipulative kind of a relationship where the partner is not committing to a relationship.
Breadcrumb. No idea.
गलत.
I have heard. I'm in a relationship from past 4 years, so I don't know about these terms. So, yeah.
Breadcrumbing, I think it means when you just give very little validation, just let them live on breadcrumbs.
imagine you're starving and someone offers you just a crumb of bread. It's not enough to fill you up. It keeps you hungry, right? This is exactly what it means. It's when a person gives you just enough attention or communication to keep you interested, but without any intention of committing to a genuine relationship.
But you are involved, attached, but कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
अरे बेंचिंग तो एक्सपीरियंस है भाई, हमें रखा हुआ है बेंच पे किसी ने.
One second. I don't want to look dumb. Benching is when you put someone on hold, like, okay, let's pause for a minute. And let's take a short break in this relationship where you don't know whether things are moving forward.
अगर मैं किसी लड़के से बात कर रही हूँ and साइड में मैंने किसी और को रखा हुआ है, तो I think that is benching.
आप किसी के साथ लाइक टॉकिंग स्टेज पे हो या और किसी और साइड में लड़के को लाइक उससे बात कर रहे हो, उसे बेंच कर रखा है बेसिकली.
Well, most of them got that right. Benching is a dating practice where someone keeps another person on a sideline as a backup option while pursuing other romantic interests.
Cushioning.
कोई है पसंद बैकअप में रखा हुआ है, कंफर्ट.
No. Is it like cuddling?
Cushioning is when, like he said, like you have a comfort zone.
ये तो नहीं पता है.
Cushioning. Cushioning, I think I know that, but
No clue. Cushioning, no clue.
I have no idea about that. You need to tell us that.
This one is a little complex, to be honest. It's when you have a main relationship, but you've got a few backup options just in case. You know, it's like keeping a cushion to fall back on when things go wrong.
भाई ये बहुत टिपिकल टर्म्स लेकर आ रही हो यार तुम अदिति. ना मुझे नहीं पता. Somebody bombed with so much of love.
Showing too much love, affection, just bombing them with all your love and stuff.
Bombing somebody with the love.
है?
Love bombing.
So like loving someone too much?
This one's easy. It simply means bombing someone with excessive attention, affection, flattery, and gifts early in the relationship to make them feel incredibly special and dependent on you. Very manipulative.
ghosting is when the other people ghost you. As in ki anyone who you are dating.
की यूज करा थ्रो कर दिया तो हो गया.
Yeah, I'm very pro in it. Ghosting when you don't like somebody, you just walk off.
Oh yeah, ghosting is just like you have just put someone like you have just vanished into thin air. You're like you one second you're talking to this person and the next day you are like okay bye see you tata, no explanation.
Ghosting, it's like when you text someone and they don't reply you back, or they reply you back but then they vanish somewhere.
ऐसे साइट्स पे जाना जहाँ घोस्ट वगैरह हो.
तुम बहुत काम करते हो क्या घोस्टिंग रिलेशनशिप में?
यार ये तो मुझे नहीं पता.
If someone ignores me for a longer time,
Ghosting, I think I've experienced it, and it's basically ignoring.
You are talking to someone day in and out. They love to bomb you, give you all the attention, and when you start feeling that you are in love with this person, they cut you off. No, I mean they ghost you. No explanation and no warning.
Zombing, I've heard it for the first time, so no. Zombing, I'm really not sure about it.
No, what is it?
That's new, I guess. Trump would know it. Area 51.
But what if after all these months of ghosting you, this person comes back into your life? This thing is called zombieing, where a zombie is a person who comes back from the dead, and this is what this person does. I mean, they literally do not come back from the dead, but they re-enter your world without any warning. And there is more to it. Orbiting, curving, cuffing season, soft launching, hot and cold. Well, relationships have never been more complicated thanks to Gen Z's creative vocabulary. But don't worry, you don't need to be fluent in all these terms to navigate love in today's world. Just remember to keep things real and maybe skip the breadcrumbs, okay?